Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen with something new. This is one of my new designs. I have a vendor event coming up next month and this is one of my new designs. This is my dragon, I guess you could say dragon butterfly or dragonfly design that will be going with me next month to my event. If you would like to learn how to make and create this design, you can reach out to me at lajoytrabags at hotmail.com. That's spelled LAJOYTRABAGS at hotmail.com. You can also reach out to me at lajoytra22designs at yahoo.com. So these are the earrings that I created, and I will be teaching this in an upcoming class, which will be tomorrow. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome week, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.